Hi, Trevor here. Welcome to my series on Microsoft's online account system. It's an Outlook or Hotmail address. And with this, you'll be able to access some of the web apps that Microsoft gives you access to that you may not know that you have access to. So let's get started. What I'm going to do right now is I've already signed up for an Outlook address. I'm going to sign in. So now that I've signed in, I have my Outlook email. I have my email here. I have inbox, sent items, drafts, favorites, folders, groups. And on the bottom here, I have calendar. I have people or contacts. I have files. And I have to-do. Now, to-do is kind of cool. It's a list manager. There's a mobile app for it. I highly recommend you check it out, but I'm not going to be touching on that right now. So we're going to go back to mail. And what we're going to do is, everyone more or less knows how to use email. I'll go over Outlook in a little bit more depth as we go along. But with your Microsoft account, you get Outlook, OneDrive, 5 gigabytes worth, access to the web version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, To-Do, Family Safety, Skype, Calendar, and if you click on the All Apps, you also have Bing, MSN, Privacy and Rewards. So what I'm going to focus on is we're just going to do a very simple task of uploading a Word file to OneDrive, editing it in Word, and then saving it, downloading it, or emailing it. So we're in Outlook. We want to hit our little bar here, and we want to go to OneDrive. So I have a couple files here. I'm just going to get rid of these right now. Okay. So if I have a file on my computer and I don't want to start new, I want to select upload, and I can either do a whole folder or a file or a couple files. So I'm just going to select file. I want to go to my documents folder. If I have the right one. No, I don't. Here we go. So I'm going to upload this how to reset the scanner.doc X. So it's going to upload it to my OneDrive. And now, if I hover over it, if I were to click on it, it will automatically open it in the web version of Word. However, if I hit this little checkbox here, I have a menu item here, version history. So if once I make changes, we can go back and revert them if we need to, embed it into a web page, and that gives you HTML code. Rename the file, copy the file to another folder, move the file, delete, download, share, and open. Now if you have Word on your computer open, you can have it open in that. It'll download it and open it. Or you can open in Word Online. I'm just going to open in Word Online. I click on it. Word Online opens. It brings in all the pictures and everything that's in the Word file. I can edit and remove this. And you'll note that here in the top left over by the Word title there, when I make these changes, you'll see a saving, and then it says Save to OneDrive. And like Word, you have options for inserting tables, page breaks. So I'm going to just do a 4x3 table. I can merge the cells. I can put text into them. I have styling options. I can, let's do band rows. And I didn't select anything, so we'll do orange. If I selected the right thing, nope. That's the font color. Clear the formatting. So here, let's just put some text in. Boom. Highlight color, font color blue. Helps if you select it. There's my table cells. There's my shading. So there you go. Table, put that in. And now you can also do a picture. I'm just going to grab a puppy picture. You can do a search or go through. Let's grab that one. It's not liking the picture for some reason. Let's grab a different one. There we go. We have the cats in there. We have text. And now it's actually already saved. So you can see the status here. Doesn't help if you click on the wrong thing. So back to it we go. But you can see it's saved. We have our kittens there. It's all good. Now, if we want to make a copy of it, we can do a save as. Here we can save a copy online, rename the file, download a copy to the computer, download a PDF, or download an ODT file. So we'll just download a PDF. Word will automatically convert it. And Edge is my default viewer for the PDF, so you can see it seems to be working just fine. So we can do a save as, and this will just let me put it into a folder or someplace else, rename it. So reload it. It's a different file name. So now I'll have two. And then if you want to save a copy to yourself, just download a copy. So all you do is you close Word, and there are my two copies. I don't want to open it. And here you have different views. right now it's in grid view. You can select list if you're looking for a specific file name, like this one here. I'm going to delete that. Now, this one here, this is interesting. So, when you select it here, we have a version history. So if we select it and go version history, depending on how long you've had the file for and the changes you've made, you may be able to go back all the way back to your original file, and you can restore it or download a copy of that file if you want. I don't want to, so we won't. And that covers uploading a file to OneDrive, opening it in Word, using your Microsoft account. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I'll be doing more in this series, so keep a watch out for them.